Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily set up your Good Budget app. Now I'll keep it simple since setting up the app requires a multiple steps, so it will be just an overview of the setup process. So first you'll need to choose your budgeting period. For most people, a monthly budget works best. This means your budget will reset at the start of each month, making it simple to track income and expenses. Now, next you will need to create envelopes. This one right here. So to organize your spending, these are categories where you'll allocate your money like groceries, gas, or mortgages. Now you can create more envelopes by signing up for a subscription to unlock unlimited envelopes. Then add your account, and also you'll need to create annual goal or like goal envelopes. Annual envelopes allow you to save for big yearly expenses like holiday gifts. For example, if you want to save $600 for gifts this year, you'd create a holiday spending envelope and set aside $50 each month. Now, on the other hand, make sure to do a quick reality check before you create envelopes, since as you add envelopes, check that the total amount doesn't exceed your income for the month. This ensures you are staying within budget. Now, to manage your envelopes, you can edit them anytime on the web. Just click on add and edit button under envelopes, or on the phone, like just simply tap at the top left. For Android, tap the three dots in the corner and select edit envelopes. Now, once you have set everything up, don't forget to save your changes, as this can always return later, as you can always return later to edit your budget as needed. And again, go to this link here, the getting started guide, to help you. It will help you like get a good overview of the steps I've just shown, and each steps has a multiple things to keep in mind, and they also have like videos here, so you can quickly understand what I've told just. And now make sure you spend as much time as possible here, because one thing is that when you properly set up the app at the first, you will be way ahead of all your budgeting plan and more. And that's it. You now have a good overview of your budget in Good Budget. Keep track of your expenses, stay within budget, and feel confident about your finances. And thanks for watching.